things went pretty well after her first adjustment?
Yes, and she didn't grind her teeth, which was a big deal, so.
Good. She came in she was having ear infections.
Yes,
And
2 in a month. We were just doing a pediatrician and they did antibiotics, and now this round of antibiotics is stronger.
Okay.
I don't really like that, so I thought,
The goal is
let's
to
try
try and
this.
see if we can do something different and try to avoid that if possible.
Yes. And her congestion is better too, so
Good.
I think she just needs to be opened up.
Yeah.
She sounded better.
Good.
So I don't know, she doesn't say much, but she sounded
It's a
better.
little easier to breathe maybe too. Yeah. We're kind of nervous, but that's all right. Who did you bring with you today? What is that? Pepperoni? I remembered. Team 5? That's what I'm talking about. And your favorite color is blue, right? And that's why you made that little band blue. There we go. So we got the other one down here. Mark that one. So she's still got a pretty decent size reading up there, but it definitely looks better. So we'll mark that one. You feel like your neck's moving around a little bit better? Is it easier to move? Sweet. Alright, let's see how you wiggle here. Just gonna go side to side.
She had just got diagnosed
She-
on
okay, she
Wednesday.
did, okay.
And we were here on Friday or
Right.
Saturday?
I think it was Friday. And then we saw you Saturday was her first adjustment.
Right.
And she slept pretty good, you said, over the weekend too.
She slept good, yes.
Yeah, good.
She slept like 13 hours last night.
Okay, that's good. That's when the body heals, so.
Oh.
There. Now Gwen, you tell me, does it hurt right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, does it hurt here too?
Yeah, because you're right over my alley.
Well, you're always a little higher actually, it's up here. Isn't that kind of crazy how that hurts a little bit? Now, does it hurt up here at all? Not as bad? Now does it hurt worse on this one? That's number 5.
Yes.
And that's number 1. Which one hurts worse?
5.
5. Okay, so L5. Let's see how everything looks down here. And we talked a little bit last time, she has maybe some leg pains or kind of numbness, tingling type stuff.
She said that it feels like bugs are crawling on her at
Right.
night sometimes.
Paresthesia, and that's really common with tailbone issues. So we're going to work down there. L5, S1 disc is really common with that type of stuff. Later on, we'll see a lot of times we can see like bedwetting problems and stuff like that show up. So if we get to it early enough, hopefully we don't see that with her.
Yeah.
I like that. Definitely feeling looser than the other day.
Good.
All right, where did you see one way at the top there? So we have 2 spots today.
You're good at it, aren't you?
All right, let's give this shoulder a nice stretch. Just like that, good. There it is. That didn't take much, did it? All right, so there's one. Let's come here for number 2, okay? So we're gonna lean the head just a little bit that way, okay? Over the side, let it nice and loose over this way. Keep coming, almost like your ear's gonna touch your shoulder. Can you let it hang all the way? Raise your chin up a little bit there, drop your shoulder down there. There it is. Whoa, that was a big one. Holy smokers.